How to find jobs faster. Finding a job quickly requires a combination of preparation, strategy, and persistence. Many job seekers spend months searching because they rely on outdated methods or fail to present themselves effectively. By adopting modern approaches and focusing on efficiency, you can significantly reduce the time it takes to secure employment. 1. Crafting a strong resume. Your resume is often the first impression employers get. To speed up the hiring process, ensure your resume is clear, concise, and tailored to each role. ATS-friendly format. Many companies use Applicant Tracking Systems, or ATS, to filter resumes. Avoid graphics, complex layouts, or unusual fonts. Stick to simple headings and bullet points. Tailored content. Instead of sending the same resume everywhere, adjust it to highlight the skills and experiences most relevant to the specific job.
Quantifiable achievements. Employers respond well to measurable results. Phrases like increased efficiency by 15% or managed a team of 10 stand out more than vague descriptions. A well-structured resume increases the likelihood of being shortlisted quickly. 2. Building a professional online presence. Recruiters increasingly rely on online platforms to find candidates. Having a strong digital footprint can make you discoverable even before you apply. Update professional profiles. Ensure your online career profiles are complete, keyword-rich, and aligned with your resume. Portfolio or website. For creative or technical fields, showcasing projects online demonstrates credibility. Engagement. Sharing industry insights or commenting on professional discussions signals that you are active and knowledgeable. A polished online presence often leads to recruiters reaching out directly, saving you time. 3. Networking effectively. Networking remains one of the fastest ways to land a job. Many positions are filled through referrals rather than public postings.
Portfolio. For technical or creative fields, showcasing projects, certifications, or case studies adds credibility. Spread the word. Tell friends and colleagues you're job hunting. Show up. Attend conferences, webinars, and workshops to meet employers. Build recruiter ties. Networking with recruiters unlocks hidden opportunities and speeds up interviews and job offers. 4. Using job platforms strategically. Job boards and career websites are essential tools, but they must be used wisely. Set alerts. Automated notifications ensure you apply as soon as new roles are posted. Apply early. Early applicants are more likely to be reviewed before positions become competitive. Target niche platforms. Specialized job boards for industries like healthcare, IT, or education often have less competition and more relevant postings. 5. Upskilling and certifications. Employers value candidates who demonstrate continuous learning. Short courses and certifications can make you more competitive.
Quick courses. Earn certifications in weeks. In-demand skills. Digital marketing. Project management, data analysis. Adaptability, showing that you are willing to learn new skills, signals resilience and flexibility. Upskilling not only improves your profile, but also boosts confidence during interviews. 6. Preparing for interviews. Speeding up the job search also means being ready when opportunities arise. Practice common questions. Employers often ask about strengths, weaknesses, and career goals. Research the role. Understanding the job description and company culture helps you respond effectively. Show enthusiasm. Employers prefer candidates who demonstrate genuine interest. Being interview-ready ensures you can move quickly from application to offer. 7. Avoiding common pitfalls. Certain mistakes can slow down the job search significantly. Generic applications, sending the same resume and cover letter everywhere, reduces effectiveness.
over-reliance on online applications. Many jobs are filled through referrals, so ignoring networking limits opportunities. Falling for scams. Fraudulent job postings or agencies waste time and can cause financial loss. Always verify legitimacy before committing.
Number 8. Maintaining consistency and motivation. Job hunting can be stressful, but consistency is key. Daily routine. Dedicate specific hours each day to applications, networking, and skill building. Track progress. Maintain a spreadsheet of jobs applied for, responses received, and follow-up actions. Stay positive. Rejections are part of the process. Treat them as learning opportunities rather than setbacks. A disciplined approach ensures steady progress and reduces frustration. Landing a job fast takes strategy, not luck. Optimize your resume, network, upskill, and stay consistent to succeed. Proactive candidates who prepare and use smart tactics thrive in today's job market. With the right approach, you can transition from searching to working quickly.